Good morning, welcome guys. London here. Here we are again, Tuesday. Put that camera thing on. Uh, there we go. First one, let's go. Yeah, man, Carlos. Man like Carlos. You know the vibe? Good morning, guys. Welcome to the live stream again.
Morning.
Yo, what's up, man?
Yeah, I'm good, and you?
Very good, very good. See what we can get today, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Like, I'm looking at this 1 hour close that could really give me some good information.
Nice. Yeah. Have to look right now. Let's see. Do that chatting right there. There we go.
Yeah, today MT5 is open, so let's see.
What do you say?
I said today my MT5 is open.
Okay.
So now
Yesterday wasn't.
no, yesterday wasn't.
Yeah, it's better. No, yesterday moved. Yesterday did move, but still, like one of those 10 days where price just moves in a bank holiday.
I mean, looking back at it, like maybe a better confirmation, like you could have entered, but like getting in on it in an impulsive entry on a bank holiday, like break of highs, like yeah, it's still very risky.
Yep.
But the move was good, it happens. So I mean, those who caught it,
Very
well
nice.
done. Yeah, very nice.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let's see. Yeah. Damn, that move from gold. That's crazy. Let's get some music on in the background. There we go. Oh, it looks pretty good. I actually like it a little bit. If you look in this current situation on gold, we made a new high. We're coming down now. We're rejecting this zone to the left. This 1 hour, you see this 1 hour also rejecting, and this 30-minute candle is printing bullish right now. With the daily flipping point, no. Oh, we have the line there.
Hey, good morning, Luke.
Yo, good morning, man.
Morning.
How are you?
Good.
Nice.
Trading from my house today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm moving this week to Italy for a month.
Seriously?
Mhm. Chill
Nice.
there for a little bit. On gold, you might want to check the Owanda chart. It's a little bit more clean.
Oh, really? Okay. Let me see.
You'll come to the same idea you had.
Wait,
The
here are all
dailies.
previous lines.
Yeah, they're saved from last time.
Yeah. Ooh, you know it. On point. This is all previous from. See. Okay. Oh, so you're looking for buys soon? Or what, Frank?
Yeah, on GJ, I didn't like those sales for me. The fact it came down with all these small bodies, like, was not a good sign for sales. And yeah, if this 1 hour closes like where it is now, I would wait for the next 1 hour to break its high, and then
Okay.
Yeah, I can agree with that because the daily is just now like sort of flipping bullish, and it has a wick to fill which is 20 pips away. So maybe using that information, we can ignore the messy range on the 30-minute and just rely on volume to push through and fill the daily wick.
I think that should be good.
Yeah, I'm gonna see how this hourly closes.
Yeah, looks pretty good actually. Oh. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good idea. What you guys are talking about.
I'm talking with my old signal provider. Oh, it just shits and giggles.
What?
It's so funny. I'm talking with my old signal provider.
You got a new one now then?
No. Like when I first started
Okay.
I started with a signal group, and like he reopened his signals, and I'm talking to him now. But now, I mean, I know the stuff. Then in the beginning, I didn't know anything, and he sent me like this screenshot, but he forgot to, like, you could see at the top like deposit, and it's 9-figure deposits, and he's trading 3.2 lots, and he's like he's telling me it's real and everything. It's so funny. Like, it's just demo account, and
There is a lot of mess inside, but I think based on this breaking out, you expect price to just go. There's some clean traffic, and once you surpass this, you got some clean traffic even further up. You might actually also look into this, especially when this 15-minute closed a little bit bearish and breaks the high. That's even better.
Yeah, we need to be on the lookout for good charts for the Magic Keys giveaway, right?
Yeah.
How's that gonna work? We just save the names on
Yeah,
like, a
save the names
document?
and the thing, the
The chart.
chart, yeah. And then in the weekend, I think we're gonna do with like in a generator or in a spinning wheel or whatever.
Yeah, roulette.
Yeah, roulette, and then 2 people win it.
Okay, interesting.
Hi, Luke.
Hey, what's up?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. What about you?
Good. Thank you.
Good morning.
Oh no, this is Steph. Good morning, man. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Oh, real. That's better. Oh, damn. Looks like Taron. I don't know who that is. Let me search it up. I want to see.
Luke, I don't have this M30 candle, the one you have there.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, because on the window it looks better. Right? Right, see?
Did you draw it?
No wonder you don't see it. On Forex.com you do see it.
The
Oh,
liquidity provider.
wow.
Yep.
Such a big difference on both of them.
Yep. Ooh, GG pushing. A little bit. Breaking 50-minute high. I think it's best to wait for this 30 to close at least.
Morning.
Good morning, man.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, pretty good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
Perfect.
I just had my 1.1% for the day, so I'm good.
Oh, nice. Already?
Yep. On go. I sell it.
Nice.
Thanks.
Yeah. Gold has been moving at 7 o'clock our time lately. Like it's done it
Yeah.
a handful of times past week.
Oh, masterpiece here.
Yes, I'm back.
I like Master P.
Yeah.
Mr. P. Yesterday being holiday, he also go on holiday.
Yeah. Actually, I didn't even know it was bank holiday, but I just couldn't trade. I had something else to take care of.
Yeah.
And then I checked it. People were saying it's bank holiday. I'm like, oh, okay.
About to be Frankfurt Open.
Hey guys.
Yo, what's up, man? How are you, man?
I'm good, I'm good.
Perfect.
Man, I'm not liking the price action on GJ today.
A little bit nasty, isn't it? But
Yeah, very
I do
nasty.
think if 30-minute candle closes above, we're going to surpass these levels back up to 920 or 911.
We're definitely getting a push up based on higher time frame, but it's just not
Yeah.
going to be a smooth
Nice.
move.
Yeah.
Clean one.
Back with the timpani beat. Ooh. It's trying to break constantly its own high. Thirty minutes left for Frankfurt Open. So let's see what we're gonna get. Yeah, I'm gonna keep ON up and then turn this one into, yeah, there we go. I think on gold we're gonna continue up, maybe make a 5-minute support and go even higher.
Yeah, it has no top wick on the daily, so that's kind of interesting.
Ooh, this guy's spamming, man. Get out of here. What has no top wick on the daily? Oh, gold, damn. Oh, this is looking very nice, to be honest with you. Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, the name.
Yeah, the name.
What do you guys think? Should I risk it for the biscuit on a 30-minute?
On gold?
No, on GJ.
Oh, I was thinking about gold. To be honest with you.
Yeah, the gold is cleaner, but on GJ you could, if you've seen this happen before.
Yeah, I've seen it happen before, but it's just not going to be smooth on the way out. And I'll also be trading a continuation.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what gold does with this close. Maybe a little pullback and then hey Shun. Good morning, man. Little pullback maybe. I do want to see like a little bit more of a wick. It's not that bad, but
What to
I want
take
to see. Yeah, maybe.
I don't want to see like structure break in that case, because for now I'd still want to retest this low.
Okay.
Like the move where it flips bullish, that's more of a New York kind of move. If you look 22 April, right before a London session, you have this exact same thing where the bias was bullish, price was retracing, and London just kept retracing, and then towards the end of New York it went bullish.
Oh,
on
here.
the 4 hour, on the 4 hour, that is. You see like those 3 bearish 4 hours on the 22. Yeah, right there.
Oh yeah, I see.
It kind of looks like the exact same thing at the exact same price level.
Yep.
Master P, maybe I think that is because before the London Open, they want a better price to enter sales. That's why they'll just drive the prices a bit higher and then enter sells, if in case that's the thing. You never know. Or I'm expecting the price to be a bit slow and ranging today, and having a daily bearish instead of bullish. Let's see how it goes.
True, it could range. London is
Because
session.
Sorry,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, just in general, London session for gold is less than New York. So the big moves, they often happen in New York, and here in London, we're just getting the little scraps.
GG is
That's
breaking
true.
up.
It is, yes. Wow.
It does look a little bit fishy on GJ with those levels over here, you know. Yeah, delicate situation.
But I see the momentum.
Just broke the high?
Yeah. Risky though.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about this one. Because you see all this trash here to the side. Yeah, you're expecting it to go through, but it's like your first target's gonna be right here, 800, and your entry is gonna be in right here when it broke the high. So
very choppy on the left. Very choppy.
yeah, like if you saw this, everyone would have been in. But this is a different story, you know.
If you, Master P, if you look at, Luke, is it possible for you to go to 4 hourly maybe? Please?
1 second, I'm looking at gold right now. For
Are you going to enter?
Maybe. I want to see some quick structure for 1 to 5 minute. Where do you want me to go?
The 4 hour.
On DJ.
She wanted to.
Yeah, 4 hour.
Gold, I think.
4 hour. No, gold. Yeah. Gold.
I'm on this GJ buy.
I thought so. If you don't understand this trade, don't get in.
Yeah, I think get in. I think like the 1 hour close like exactly at resistance.
Yeah. I'm not.
It is a risky trade.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
risky. I'm not a fan
I
to
only-
traffic to the left, so for me there's not a
Yeah,
first target's not enough range. But go ahead.
I take this entry simply because if I trade zone to zone, if price coming up to this zone, you know, it will push, but it's gonna take some time.
Makes sense. Let's see.
But yeah.
I'm checking out the charts real quick. Good. Looking out right now.
this 15 on gold closes bearish, could be a good sell to retest the low.
Yeah. Target this level. Mm. Ooh, someone has a lot of background noise. GG is going slowly.
Yeah, I think it's like a swing trade, more of an intraday swing.
Yeah. Ooh, very good. Are you only looking for buys above here and sells below? Yeah, I'm looking to trade inside here. And if it looks bullish, but I can also fill the range up to the... Yeah, I'm looking at the same thing. I'm gonna put this one up too. I'm gonna put this one up on the leaderboard too, definitely. What's your entry, Ace?
Uh, 729.
Oh, that's really low.
Yeah. I took it on the 1 hour when it broke the high.
Hmm. Ooh, there you go. Damn. Oof.
Yeah, I think I missed that trade on GJ. But I mean, the fact where it closed, like I said, I didn't like that. Otherwise, the structure on the 15 and everything is pretty good. But range 2 is like pretty small. Like,
Yeah, there's a daily resistance literally 13 pips away from where the 1 hour closed.
Yeah.
So, in hindsight, you can be like, "Oh, I missed it," but I think if you sat back, and it's pretty
no, it's, I mean, like you said, I mean, it's like I said, I missed it, but in a way I didn't miss it because that was not my plan. So it doesn't matter.
true.
But still, yeah, interesting thing to watch and like the journal, because like the structure, what it did on the 1 hour is like in the last 1 hour is pretty clean. It's just like how what happened to the left was not the best for the zones and where it closed and everything.
True.
Yeah, it's a not very clean trade. Like, I'm looking to secure positions before I even reach 10 pips because of all this mess on the left.
Yeah. You're at
So at
7,
any
8
point-
pips right now, right?
Yeah, at any point I can just reject. I'm like here.
Yeah, it's nasty.
Yeah, I've already secured 80% at around 8 pips. Ooh, pulling back.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, if I got in, it would have been stops below the 15 and like TP like 800, but that was like 5 pip stop, 6 pip profit. It's like, yeah.
That's a weekly zone there where it's rejecting now.
Makes
Oh, yeah.
sense. Good chart. Good chart. This one into. See if the
Or it's just coming down.
I don't know.
There's not enough range left for a sell on gold.
No, that's what I was looking at. I was thinking about selling once this 5-minute low got broken. But I was like, yeah.
You don't know if it's gonna form a support or
Yeah, and the 30-minute just closed bullish, so
Yeah, exactly. That's the issue.
there wasn't really a top wick on that 1 hour either.
If it
Could have,
breaks
should have
below
been good.
this
That
low-
would have been 10 pips, but still,
True.
I don't want to secure 10 pips on gold.
No.
Ooh, it's pushing. Talking about no.
If this one can close below like the most recent support, you've got like a fat clean candle to the left, which is some 45 pips. So
We're gonna sell it, SRP.
if I get the right confirmation, yeah. It's
Okay.
gotta close. It's gotta close below like 1784.4,
Okay. Yeah.
and then in this case it needs a healthy top wick first, but we'll see.
I'm looking at to break the 1784, the lowest wick, and then maybe we'll get in. Maybe. Let's see.
Yeah, if it closes how can I say it? If it closes below 1784.600 and then breaks the 1 hour low, that could be a pretty good idea. That's something that happened last week as well, and I saw that happen. Or if it just closes below everything and breaks the low, it's also good.
Okay. Okay. Let's see.
But it'd be good, right? It's this looks a lot. Pretty good, man. More like swingy type. Pretty big target. But I think it should be good. This is the candle that's gonna change the trend. Should be alright. Yeah, for GJ, I'm looking to take a buy once we start closing above 900, 910. Sells below 600. Ooh. Very good trade. Very, very good trade. I was doing it on my phone, but it takes way too long. There we go. No, I haven't seen it yet. I'll check it out right now, Albano. Yeah, I don't know about this. It's range is just not big enough. But did you sell it off now, or? I see this, but I don't know if you really sold it. Should be good. Nearly touched the bottom.
I'm waiting for GG to come to 151,670 back before going up again.
Yeah, it makes sense. I need to stop cleaning from this one. So, I look to use order blocks in your trading. No, I don't. Does the Gulag also participate in for the magic keys? Yes, the Gulag is the only one that participates.
I'm guessing because everyone on the Zoom has one.
Yeah. And if you don't, you just go to the Gulag, you know. You just go there and send in your chart, and then you have a chance as well. What that track you got playing called yesterday? Do you use wick off patterns in your trading? No, I don't. Let's take a look at this chart. Man wants me to see his chart really badly. So let's see what man's got to show. I'm expecting something good right now for Raka. Okay. See some text. Yeah, looking at the same. Some clean traffic over here. This is a little bit nasty, but I think once you get selling, you can just expect price to just slowly walk through like this candle did. So I think it should be good selling from 600. Ooh, look at that. BJ.
I'm so nasty.
Nasty.
Oh, people secured.
Ingrid, Tavernier, how many trades do you take a week per week? Around 5 to 7, I think. Depends. Mostly every day I mostly take a trade. Last week, I had pretty much no trade week other than just Friday. But mostly around 5 to 7 trades. Sometimes 8 or 9, but most of the time 5 to 7. Look at that rejection. BJ. Let's see, Seba. Here's my chart. Yes, Jay, I do. Oh, wrong. There we go. Very good. Very, very good. Yeah, I like your charts. They're pretty clean, man. Look, are you looking for sells on gold? Yes, sells and buys. It's a bit delicate. Spicy chicken. Let's take a look at your chart. Use the JPY. Yeah, I think it's good to wait for a strong support to form. And maybe even if price creates a support right here, your first target is going to be this high and then continue moving further up. I think that's a better situation because this situation is going to play out way too long on the 1 hour time frame. So I think you should just wait for a retracement and then try and retest this high and continue moving further up. A pretty good chart, so let me put this one in.
Well, he is trading US dollar and pound,
Yeah,
and yen in London session.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know too, but
I don't know if we can include that.
yesterday too, a lot of people were trading some pairs where I was like,
Okay. USDs are.
no, not that, but still pairs where all markets are closed.
Like today is still a holiday for the yen.
True.
I like C63. Let's see. Guess he's a fan of C63s, so take a look. Hope this chart is even fast. Let's put some music on. Pretty good chart. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I am looking to trade inside this range, but it makes sense if you don't want to, because at this level. But I do think once we start going inside here, we're definitely going to break up, fill this wick up to 100. So I have enough range for me, and at this point, I will already be at break even right here. So that's why I'll risk it. A pretty good chart, man. It's also in the leaderboards.
Morning, boys.
Good morning, man. How are you,
Morning.
bro?
Amazing. How we doing?
Yeah, pretty good.
Morning.
What are you looking for?
GG, boys.
Nice.
Do you feel
some-
that daily
Oh
wick?
my god.
I believe there will be more momentum for GG to go bullish as
Yeah.
the 4 hours creating that wick for the next candle.
I'm expecting a daily wick fill.
Yeah. You just have to be a bit more patient because of the noise to the left.
Yeah. But what I wanted is this 30 minute to close at 10.8, so sort of like a greater target for us in the beginning. But it's just literally just rejected that level. But I'll see how it goes. Probably this 30 minutes gonna make a low wick and then chew up.
Yeah, I took a quick scalp on the 15 and now I'm out because of the rejection. Kind of knew this was going to happen.
Oh, you took a buys?
Yeah, I took a buy on the break of the 15 minute.
Yeah,
Of
so
that
you got
bearish
7
high.
pips, 7 pips, 6 pips.
Yes, 7-8 pips. Then I got out. That's not a trade you hold.
Yeah, 100%. Because that 10.8 level is like 4 hours support
Yeah.
and resistance, so just gotta be careful.
Yeah, I think this chart is the option to go for low. Jeez.
Makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Jack Tucker. Let's take a look at your chart.
What are you looking at, Luke?
Yeah, this one, man.
What's your bias for GJ?
DJ buys for me, to be honest, but I do want to trade outside of that range. So for me, buys are going to be above 910, sells below 600. For gold, it's a pretty delicate situation.
Okay.
I might be looking for a bias if we start breaking the highs.
Yeah.
To be honest with you.
I don't know if you was listening to Ted yesterday.
No, I didn't. I missed it. I didn't know
What?
it was going on.
Oh my, it was like gems on gold.
Mm.
I was making some good lines about you on the WhatsApp.
This guy, man, I swear.
When a man goes to a club, man like Goose goes to a club.
Hey guys, I'm gonna shoot off early.
No problem, man.
Take
See
it,
you,
man.
Alright, happy trading.
You too, man. Man's asking the security for the ID.
This guy, yeah, but he was speaking yesterday about gold and how he was actually like back testing everything and working on. So basically, he put a new account, basically 1 mil inside
I
there.
saw that.
Man, I was like flipping out, man. And he's like, he put on the leaderboard as well on his trading domain. And basically, in month, since March, basically, he done 600k, but he started like with 2 lots, 5 lots, and then he worked his way up to 100 lots.
Mad.
Looking to see if there's a recording on YouTube.
But this
Yeah,
guy
I'm
is
looking and there is, but only 3 minutes.
Yeah, there's only
It never holds his recordings of IGTV.
yeah, but maybe other
no, I
people
know,
screen
other
record.
people.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like the beef with Iron Man that was recorded, but so far there's just one which is like only 3 minutes long. But hopefully, maybe someone will do some due diligence.
It's a very good chart from Jack Tucker. He's looking pretty much at the same thing. I'm already looking for buys above here, but looking
That makes
very
sense.
good.
I like how he keeps his zones the same width. It's interesting.
Yeah, I normally do too, but it's like sometimes can't really do it. Because the zones need to make sense as well, right? I used to do that, have everything at the same width, you know, but sometimes it doesn't make sense anymore at that moment. Just,
I extend them left and right and forget about it.
yeah.
So basically, what Tag said for gold, it was like after this kind of push, you would expect the next daily sort of make a retracement to mirror that move, sort of like a halfway through, and then you see Wednesday and Thursday continuation. So it's really interesting the way it was put out, like in regards to New York Stock Exchange open in gold and Asian session opens. So I don't know, man.
Uncle Ted, when it comes to like volume times and knowing how like volume is gonna come in and things like that, he has a crystal ball or something, right?
Oh my, yeah, the views that he's got.
This man has seen it happen over and over and over and over again. Uncountable times. He knows exactly.
The thing too,
past years.
Yeah, the thing is that he started and there was not a lot of resources. And the fact that he had to go and look for all the answers in the charts, like just that dedication, and I think you must learn a lot. Because nowadays, I mean, we are a bit lucky because like we learn from Uncle Ted, Raja, and all these guys that have the experience. But when nobody had the experience, like you have to learn from yourself. And that's the thing I find quite incredible with Uncle Ted, is just like he had to just like ask himself always why, and he said that he had to go and look for all the answers and understand the charts from the beginning to where he is now.
Yeah, can you imagine trying to do this all by yourself, like without Raja or anyone spilling those beans?
Yeah, I think it's possible because you see people doing it, but I think it's going to be 10 times harder because you need to find out your own shit. And at the end of the day, you do as well right now. You know, you find out your own strategies. At the end of the day, everything is going to be different than someone else's. No one has the same strategy. Everyone finds something else for on what they like. But it's a lot easier for us. And
if you have a question, I mean, imagine like Uncle Ted that nobody, he said like he messages these guys on Instagram and nobody replied to him. Now these guys are probably begging him to have a conversation with him. Like if you have a question, I mean, you just like message Raja or anybody, and most of them like you go on YouTube, you get your answer, and like I think like at the time when you started and you had no clue and there was nothing out there, that must have been very tough.
Yeah, Ted worked his way out, to be honest, and at the level he's at, and he's sort of understanding of the markets, it's just something that we all, you know, mesmerized.
But where did he announce the live stream actually?
He didn't. He
just started.
He just randomly started, like literally, because it pops up on my notification as Luke was chatting shit on WhatsApp.
I had some 400 messages last night.
It was good though. I had some very good lines about you. let me see if I can find it.
We had a good conversation though as well.
Okay.
If Augustus is getting shot, the bullets are hiding for him.
Yeah, so you know, and then notification popped up on my Instagram saying like, "Oh, Ted is on." I was like, "Wow, okay, I haven't seen this guy for months on live." And then the way he was speaking and where everything was going, and people were like, "Oh, we miss you" and everything. It was like, you don't need to miss me, you know. You know, it's yeah, he's a nice chap.
Someone got buy some gold once he came back down.
Oh, nice. Makes sense.
Yeah, it does so.
Hey Jim, did you take those GJ buys?
Oh yeah, once he came down what I was waiting for, I took it.
I was anticipating, but I missed it. To be honest, on the 5 minutes should have been 720. But yeah, I was anticipating those buys as well, 100%.
Ooh.
Yeah, I was
But
waiting for that pullback. I said if it didn't come back, I will not take it.
Okay. Yeah,
And,
it makes
and it
Oh,
did come
damn.
back. And
makes so
now
much sense.
now it's not coming back. Now it's
Yeah.
gonna go
I know I missed it. Thank
straight
you.
up now. But you have a chance. Now it's above the weekly zone. So just wait for the 30 minutes probably to close above that zone where it is right now.
The only thing I'm thinking Thursday is interest rates and pound yen.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, we're gonna push higher, to be honest, to 9-10. It broke this 30-minute high already.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to correct the move on the 4 hour. Like you said, to 910, like mirror that.
Yeah.
TP1 it's about 151 900, and full TP it's 152 220.
Damn.
Ooh.
Well, actually, an idea that, like, in regards to this GJ on a daily, it's the same scenario sort of that we had. I don't know if you guys remember that Wednesday loss in the ranging market. And I'm gonna send you to WhatsApp to sort of visualize the idea.
Yeah, this is nothing, this chart, man. I see a couple of lines just
Guys, what's Uncle Ted Instagram? You guys know?
It's
Uncle Ted.
Uncle
you should know, man. Come on, man, like Dennis.
Uncle
Come on, man.
Ted.
You're in the Forex family. Come on,
I
man.
really
Bro. You should know.
Yeah, today I know.
Okay.
Uncle Ted. Okay.
To be fair, when I first joined Market Fluidity, and I was wondering what Uncle Ted's broker was, and someone made a joke. It's like, oh, it's TEDFX, and I'm like, oh, guys, I can't find TEDFX broker. And I was on the live stream asking, like, hey guys, why can't I find TEDFXbroker.com? I was like, straight out of the gulag.
Let's see, very good chart. Clean traffic, look for clean traffic. GU. Yeah, I think this is pretty solid. Both 17 pip targets, clean traffic, even though there's a little bit thingy right here, but it should be good. Yeah, I think this is a very nice chart. Let me put this one up. This was from... Whose was this from? I think it's this one. Yeah, I got it. Some music on.
Yeah, so I'll send the chart to WhatsApp. Luke.
Yeah, one
I don't know
second.
if you just pop it up, and but that's what I'm anticipating with the interest rates.
Let me see.
And if you count the days, it's gonna be that drop is gonna be the interest rate day, because we still need to come down to make that monthly bone wick.
Yeah, but so you're saying that today is going to be doji?
No, I'm
No.
saying that we're still gonna fill that daily candle wick.
So Tuesday.
So 9-10 is probably gonna be the target for sure.
Oh, I see what you mean. Here now.
Obviously, but that's just an idea, you know. I'm not playing based on that, but that's what I'm trying to see what I've seen before,
Mhm.
and
GG.
but I was definitely looking for buys today, 100%.
Yes,
It is,
no,
but
yes,
it
no.
is.
It is what it
I
is,
was
man.
I was going to miss it like man. I was like, oh, it did came out down. Take it very quick. I was trying to take it in the bottom week once it came down again. I missed it, so I take it a little bit up.
No, damn.
I was busy.
Oh, I heard like a little bit of you, Nick, but like,
Yeah, I heard Nick as well, but then
yeah.
he's gone.
Is that testing or something?
Yeah, I'm trying to fix my mic for this computer, man. It's not been working.
Hmm.
Man,
That
you
was
got so
good.
much money, you can buy a new one.
Yeah. He's driving in his new Type R, so that's why you can't hear him that well. Dust is too loud.
I wish I got that Type R.
Was a sick color though.
Yeah, the
Sick
Sonic.
color.
Like, you can hear me
Yeah.
better now, or not
Yeah,
really?
a
Yeah,
little
yeah,
bit better,
Yeah, it's good now.
What do you want to say, my man?
Yeah, I'm just
That
trying to
is-
get this mic is working, man. I'm setting this computer up.
Nice.
Man's got like 15 pips in that, yeah?
Wow.
16, 18, and 9 pips.
Ooh, sheesh.
Look at that
Sheesh.
bad boy.
You got that, Nick?
Yeah, I've been in since Asian with low lot sizes, and I got in when the hour broke. I'm waiting for 900 to hit.
Very nice.
Yeah,
So-
you guys are Gucci for this one. I missed it.
Yeah, me too, But I wasn't really a fan of this range anyways, so
Yeah, I
Hope
was.
it taps 900 though.
very good chart.
15 tips right now.
I wouldn't want to be inside here still, but overall, looking for buys above here looks very good. Sells below here looks very good. Text is very small, but makes a lot of sense. We're gonna definitely put this one up. There we go.
Very nice.
There we go.
And I'm trying my best not to close this position, but like I feel it kicking in.
New 15 just opened.
I mean, looking at the 4 hour, it could easily go to 910, like 900 level.
Yeah, I just need like literally 5 more pips.
Mm.
So I'm just gonna let the chart do what it does.
Here's what it is. Oh shit.
I mean, worst scenario, you get one next hour bearish, a retest, and after like a pullback and continuation. But looking how this 1 hour like is possible to close, I don't think like it's going to go all the way back down.
If you wanted the previous 4 hour resistance and if 1 hour close above that zone, we have continuation.
There you go.
Mm.
We have the answer.
If we have a breakdown that below that zone again, we may see some retesting the lows where price came from.
Ooh. Sheesh. That's off.
And you in buys, Najim, on gold?
No, I'm waiting for it to come a little bit down or close above that zone, weekly zone.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for it. Gold probably is coming to, let's see here. We may see probably coming to 1782, 126. before going up, or if I got any 1 hour close above 1780, 86, 700, then it will be looking for buys from that zone too.
Nice.
Good.
Very nice chart. I would trade inside this range, but next to that, very nice. I would look out with this level right here.
Impulse center and the break of low.
Hmm?
It took an impulse center at the break of that 15-minute low at support.
Gold.
Yeah, not yet.
This guy.
Right.
I think right here. He entered over there, right?
Okay.
Yeah, there was like double support. You had this support and then that support. So you need candle to close or break at least below here and then go down there.
It is what it is.
Yeah, man. He's what he Hey, you know what we have in the chat? Men like Marcos.
Ooh.
Men like Marcos.
Ooh, it's pushing. Nice. 20 pips.
Come on,
up now.
GJ, come on. Just tap 900.
What are you targeting, Nick? Previous 4-hour resistance?
900, the top of that structure, which is 15 pips
Oh.
anyway, so I'm in at 750.
Nice, nice. I think it's gonna touch it and break it.
Choo.
Literally one more pip. Come on now.
It's 0.8.
Very nice.
Whoa, what was that? What is that sound?
The new Magic Keys update.
Yeah, my bad, my bad.
Is that the new sound for the Magic Keys?
Yeah,
Damn.
it sounds.
Yeah, it
crazy.
is.
It's like UFO shit, man. What?
Oh, there we go. 900.
Very nice.
Nice. Tap, tap, tap.
To the pip.
You're very, very,
You secured everything?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I had 3 positions. I'm gonna leave one lot running to 152, 250, and just trail the
Nice.
stops below each candle.
That's my 4 TP too, yeah.
Nice, nice, nice.
This month of May is doing good so far.
Yeah. Hey, look, can you take a look at Nest? No, I don't really trade that. Bro, I got no experience in that. So let's see. Another chart coming in.
Ooh, nice push. CP1 smash, 25 pips.
Nice, nice.
Damn. Very nice. Waiting for support to reach it. Yeah, very nice. Looking at the same.
GG buy hit the target, yeah?
And more.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hit the
900 or
target
more.
not too long ago.
Yeah, well done. Good trade, guys.
Very
Honestly.
nice.
Yes,
Sadly,
sir.
I missed it.
It is what it is, man.
No, it's gonna
Yeah,
be
I
a
was-
continuation in New York.
You never know. Are we gonna have that much of a momentum coming after the holiday, after yesterday's push?
Ooh, it's 30-minute candle. Like psych.
I might not trade today as well, and see how it plays out.
Yeah.
But yeah, I should have been in that trade.
So we may have a pullback to 151,700, 750. But
Why so deep?
what's that?
Why so deep?
It's a weekly zone. It's probably going to retest it before going further, or maybe not. You know.
I mean, looking at it,
I just keep that in mind. Like, if we start pulling back, like I don't get I don't start to get panic. You know.
Whoa, the lag. Damn.
What are you looking at?
Damn.
yeah,
guys-
like you could.
You go ahead.
No, you could maybe get a pullback, but 750 is pretty low, like Justus was saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not now for our candle.
Yeah, I mean, anything's possible. So
I would expect
Yeah,
800.
I would like to keep going, not
Mm.
pulling back, but just keep that in mind. It may happen. If we break that zone where we are now, like 1 hour close above it, we may not pull back that down there.
Yeah, the only way to get this trade was on a 5-minute or on the hourly, anticipating to fill the daily wick. That's it. That's the only way I see. Because hourly actually closed above that whole range. So we just should have been in there. But the candle made the retest, and then probably the next area of entering was on a 5-minute. But it is what it is, man.
If you miss it, you miss it. You know, I missed gold buys yesterday. I was so mad the next day, man.
Don't be
Missed it
mad.
like for 5 pips. I said, okay, went up like maybe a little bit, but when I wake up, I was like, ooh, 200 pips up.
it is what it is.
Yeah. So if you missed your entry, just watch it doing it, flying.
Yeah, that's the worst thing. Like to miss your entry and have to get in because you feel like you've missed out. That's the worst thing to do. Chase a trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
Anyone looking at EU sell? Maybe.
EU.
Yep.
No.
Don't trade that.
Yeah, either do I.
You got clean traffic right here. Should be good. You sell below there.
I'm waiting for the candle close and then maybe just use half of my position to go in, as I already secure 1.1% today. So maybe we'll
Dennis,
just use, yes.
how many pairs do you trade?
Yeah, that's what I was about to ask.
4.
4.
Gold, EU, GJ, and GU.
Okay, and how do you how do you take a trade on GJ and GU?
GJ and GU, I usually just look at it, and because they almost move the same.
Yeah.
So if they broke the resistance and support, I will just usually look for impulse entry, and that's how I trade it.
Okay.
I know what you mean. Maybe you are thinking, should I maybe just reduce to 1 GU or GJ, just pick one? Maybe.
I mean, if it works for you, do whatever. But personally, like, yeah, it's no need to look at GJ and GU. I mean, they're very similar. So it's like looking almost like at two pairs without really looking at two pairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
traded GU and GJ and it gave me a headache because they moved so similarly.
Yeah.
I'd be in a trade in GJ.
Ooh,
GU
gold's
was going
looking
down.
pretty good, guys.
I
Gold's
know,
looking pretty
I'm
good.
looking at a trade once it breaks the high, but I want this hourly to close first.
Yeah, me too.
'Cause it's only 2 minutes. Else I'd have a kind of buy stop at the, you know, the hourly high.
Yeah.
I caught a trade like that once before on this exact same pattern with a buy stop above, you know, that resistance / high, and it worked out pretty well.
Yeah, I think I will just maybe just pick one of the pair, maybe GJ.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and then so I will
GJ
stick
and
to
like
3
gold.
pairs. Yeah.
And just focus on gold just for those, you know, clean days when it gives those easy confirmations.
Yep, I agree. And then maybe EU, maybe I don't know. I maybe max pair three. I will just trade 3 pairs. So it will
Yo,
be
Nixon,
easier.
chill out.
I mean, the way you describe your trading, you trading like for like not a lot of pips. So, I mean, you don't need that many pairs. Like you can easily get setups on 1, 2, and I mean, yeah, that's the thing.
Some good value in this chart.
I agree, because I always aim for like 10 pips a day. Yeah. So what you said actually makes sense.
I think the sells in this chart make more sense because of this clean traffic. This is all trash. So I think gonna be looking for a trade. But be careful inside this zone, even though this candle was clean traffic. You're trying to mirror this candle line. I see that, but this is gonna be the better move, I think. Easier and stronger, a faster move. So it looks pretty good, man. I like it. Ooh, gold's about to close, and right there it closed. Might want it to make a wick down.
That too.
It's a little bit of a bigger wick to like right here, and then break the highs. It already has a wick, so it's not that bad, but I rather wanted to pull down a little bit deeper.
Gold, the way it closed the previous 1 hour, we may see a little bit of drop in instead.
Yeah, gold might drop. I'm looking at the 15-minute anymore, just might drop now.
Yeah.
If it doesn't create that bottom wick, I'd wait for 15 to close above that resistance. If
Yeah.
it creates a healthy bottom wick, then I'm putting a buy stop.
Ooh, Bye just gave someone a timeout.
Ooh. What did he do?
I don't know. No idea, man.
Must be pretty bad to get buy upset.
Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to go down a little bit deeper. Yeah, on GJ I'm gonna wait for support to form and then close outside and then continue moving further up.
Oh, we accidentally timed out someone. It's no problem.
Man's like, here you go. Oops, it was an accident. Don't know if I can undo it. I don't think so. It is what it is, man. Go on and do it.
Is the pullback I was talking about. It's coming. Yeah. It's 1 hour opening, yeah, right? Yeah.
I mean, EU sell. Let's see how it goes.
Oh my god, you got it
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
everywhere, man.
Okay. Let's go. It's going down. Oh my god.
It's exciting.
Yeah, I just used half of my position, so well, profit is profit.
Oh, there you go. Damn. Very nice.
Once you touch that zone, DJ, we may probably see spike up again.
I mean, then it's just a little tip where, like,
Okay.
you seem to be very excited in the trade, and
You want me to tell the story about the elastic board with the
yeah, you
ball
can.
on it?
Yeah, that's a good like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
I had
that's
some
good advice.
big stories yesterday. Let me find it. I'll tell exactly what I said.
It's okay. I actually like to hear tips from all you guys because you guys have more trading experience than me, and then I always appreciate.
You know what? I'm
What
just gonna copy
you
paste
guys.
it and send it. I sent so many things yesterday, man.
Because this morning, well, yeah, actually, I could have got like 20 more pips. I closed my gold trade on 10 pips, but I could actually get more if I just close 50% and then take my stop loss to break even. But I'm afraid, and then I think I already got my 1% for a day, so I closed everything. And I'm kind of like in my notes, I make notes that the next time I would maybe just close half and then let everything run. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all in those notes. That's where you're
Who
gonna
is
gain
Augustus?
experience.
Is he
Yeah.
still here?
Yeah, Chris is here.
Bro, it's just pounding down and up.
That's the zone I was talking about.
Oh, sheesh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking for gold now to start breaking the high, and then I'm gonna get in.
Yeah, I see what you mean, Najim. Yeah.
So we might see a push up from this zone.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, EU.
Oh, it's pushing further.
Man,
It
that's
is.
London Open, you know.
It is. what
Okay.
it is.
Dennis, this is the way I think about it myself. Like, this is my own way I view it. You know, it's your own. It's So I come up with this idea. I think emotion works just like an elastic band with a metal ball on it. The harder you pull it to one side, the even harder it goes to the other side. So keeping emotions as consistent as possible makes the swing 0 to none, creating decision making and taking disappointments really easy for you.
Yep.
That's the way I think about it, and I think based on this you can really kill mood swings as well. Lots of people have mood swings by taking a trade and getting really excited, and they get off the charts and they get unexcited really fast again. And if you just try and be neutral with the thought process constantly, you're gonna be yes, it's gonna be good every time.
No, just go on, yes. Because I'm like, I have one time when I just finished trading and then my heartbeat just moves very fast and I'm just like very excited. So I go for a walk 15 minutes to calm myself down. And then I'm just still trying to learn how to control my emotions better, actually.
Yeah,
just
I think
like
it's
what you said, Luke. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's important. Every time I take a win, I feel the same as I take a loss.
Yes.
And
yes.
that's by holding. It's pretty much like how I say it. It's like a metal ball on an elastic band, and you throw it to one side, and it comes even harder to the other side. And that's being okay at that moment, and then your emotions. It's just you try. It's literally just making your emotions swing constantly very fast, and that's what needs to slow down to 0 to none. Because there's moments you're still gonna have emotions, 100%, but try and be as emotionless as possible, as neutral as possible, as calm as possible, because in calm situations you can make way better decisions. That's why I said decision making is already easier at that time if you try and neutralize all your emotions.
Yeah, and do you guys have any like ways to practice for things like this?
Practice, yeah, I have a practice, but I don't really tell a lot of people. But
Really?
now people are kind of like, oh, you want to know? Oh,
yeah.
Maybe I'll tell you later what I do.
Okay.
I mean, for me, it's just what I've noticed is the more you plan your trade and everything that can possibly happen once you're in, the less emotions you'll have also. Because when you're in a trade, even the best traders, I mean, emotions then start kicking in, and then your decision making is a list. Like, the more experienced it is, the less it will affect you, but it's going to affect your decisions. And that's why if you plan out your trade and you have a plan and you know what you're going to do, you have to do in the trade, the less emotions will kick in and the more correct decisions you will take.
Yeah,
I agree. Yeah. Thank you guys.
No
Also, just a quick update. I closed half of my position on EU, and then just let the others run. Stop loss to break even.
nice.
GJ coming down just as fast as I went up.
Faster.
Oh yeah, it's only
Yeah.
Damn.
Damn, son.
Damn, Daniel.
Where'd you find that?
Yeah, that's
What
what
are
it is
those?
on there.
It's good. We've seen volume. I mean,
Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Get us to 5,800 by the end of the day.
Yeah, there
I
goes
also
Marvin.
saw some other people telling you guys to like
And
the stream.
GJ is just swing high, swing low.
A headache, man. What the hell? Yesterday was a perfect day to leave a runner, but obviously I didn't trade. And like the day I trade, nothing.
I still think it's gonna go and come back to 900.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yes.
It's like the similar situation that we had on the 15 we have right now, sort of like on an hour. It's gonna come back to the bottom of the range and then push up.
Goner. Gone. This is a very good one as well. When emotion is high, intelligence is low. Exactly.
Good, great one.
Ooh, Lee Mac. Flying at max speed.
Okay, now I would be comfortable having a buy stop on gold at this point.
Gold. Oh, very nice chart. Thought you were going fast. So you're definitely going fast. Deep range.
Yeah. Great chart.
Yeah, very good.
GU took a dump. Sorry, Luke. Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, no problem, man. I think this chart is very good, and this chart is definitely gonna go on the leaderboard. I think this is the best chart I've seen yet. Looks a lot like the charts I used to make. Very good job, Lee.
All right.
Man like Dennis. See, man.
Hit all my.
Take care.
Yeah. No, I just want to say, EU hit my TP.
Oh, really? I was like, man's finally calling it a day.
I was like, yeah, you're off.
But I'm glad I got 2% for the day.
Nice.
And then thank you guys for all the. I'm still learning to control my emotion, because I think anyone can look at the chart, but emotion is really, really hard. Actually, really hard.
That's the hardest part, man.
Exactly.
Especially for me, like personally, like you look at the charts, everything is like, it's just moving, right? You can't control that.
Yes, obviously.
But
and then you got
the
me no
emotions
trading
you
week.
can. Yeah.
Even now when I close the even now when EU hit my TP, my heartbeat is just beating so fast, and I'm just like calming myself down.
But as Ted said, I don't know if you guys listened before, he was posting on his Instagram stories that it's just watch for your triggers. in the emotion side? What's triggering you to be afraid, or be with the emotion into the market, or taking a loss?
Master P.
Just look at the trigger that is happening inside you, and then evaluate sort of like what's the problem. Maybe greed, maybe sort of fear of losing money, and just work on that.
Yeah.
Master P.
Mm-hmm.
You golden?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
The high.
I'm waiting for this 15.
Mhm.
And then
See how it goes.
wait a week and then break this high and then continue.
Mhm.
That's what I'm looking for.
Let's
right now.
look at gold then.
And I'll put that lot size a little bit higher.
But to add what Augustus said, definitely like 100%. Like that Uncle Ted post was like a really good nugget, because it made me really sit back and think what kind of like eats away my profits, and it's definitely greed.
I mean, and it goes back a lot deeper if you think about like you have to really start looking at your past and like think like why is that so? Like if you're afraid to lose money, like maybe you didn't have a lot of money before, or like really like triggers like that, and to think like the reason also behind it.
Yeah, I mean, for me, I just hated closing my trades early than watching it go to the original take profit. And I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna go back in and get those pips. So if anyone has that problem, just take what you got and don't go back in.
I think one of the best is like I close partial profits, and that really helps me reduce a lot of stress during trades.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, but then you drop a lot of profits as well at the same
Of
time.
course.
Like,
That's
I understand
right.
where is Nick coming from.
So it's kind of hard actually.
No, I mean,
honestly, for me, go Nick. Sorry.
No, I was gonna say, honestly, that's the right thing to do. Like, just take whatever you can and you feel comfortable with, and just run. Like, don't be greedy. But I don't know. That's just how I am.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to squeeze every single bit out of the market, don't you?
Yeah, I don't know what it is, man. But for me, it's just maybe it's like wanting to be right or greed. I don't know. But if I set it to like 900 and I secure 800, I'm like, I just missed 10 pips. I want it.
Yeah, or you're just thinking sort of like that you can push further up, right? In terms of like the way the DJ moves or whatever. Yeah,
like just the announce, like for example, I had a feeling to go to 900, like the closest resistance, of course. But earlier I would have secured like at 10 pips instead of 15. And I'm like, damn, why'd I do that for? And try to find a next entry, even if it's not the best entry, just to hit the original target again, which it never does the second time around.
Looking for goes. Oh, sheesh. I'm still waiting.
It's closing below.
Because whenever I see maybe you guys trade or Raja trades, you guys looks relaxed and they just look at it. No, doesn't get so excited as
yeah, because
thank you.
What?
Well, it
Someone
looks
is
fairly
driving.
easy to you guys when you guys trade.
Because it's we have the feeling of it's like you don't have to be in something. You don't miss out constantly. It's like when a trade goes, it goes, and it's not like, oh shit, I have to be in there or lost it or
Yeah.
So I think that's the difference.
And I mean, you'll always be working on your emotions. I mean, even like Luke, myself, like we all still make like stupid mistakes sometimes. I mean, over the time, like we try and make less, and we do make less. But I mean, everybody will make mistakes. Everybody will still react from their emotions. But it's just over time you'll get better and better controlling it and noticing it, and after reacting to it as quick as possible.
Yeah, I think maybe I don't know who mentioned it. Maybe what is it? I think it's Augustus, his name. Maybe he mentioned like write it in the note or something to see what's making ourselves emotional, and I think that is a good idea. Maybe I will go write it and figure it out.
Yeah, journal it. I mean, I journal I have a part where I journal my emotions and my psychology, like what was going through my mind and how I was reacting to the trade.
Oh,
Like
Because-
Friday, I had a loss because I revenge traded, and I mean, I felt bad about it. I wrote in my journal, and like I try and always like examine that and to improve on it.
I think that's very great. Maybe I will
For
learn
me-
the same thing as you. Yeah, go on.
For me, it was like fear of losing. But then I was asking myself, was it because of losing money or just in terms of losing and being wrong? And then I came to that conclusion that I don't like being wrong, but I just have to, stick to that and be like, okay, I'm going to be wrong in the markets. And that was my catalyst point, was like, okay, I need to take a loss if that's a wrong position in the market. And then once I worked that out, it just, it became easier. It didn't become easy, but it became easier to sort of like, okay, you lost the trade, that's fine. You're gonna execute on the other one. So just go evaluate yourself at some point.
Yeah. Thanks, guys,
No
for your
problem.
advice.
What is this?
Gold is just not giving any entries.
Yeah, I'm waiting constantly already. Yeah, gold is. Let's see. Can you check out
For
my chart?
GG, we just
Sure.
might stay in this range.
Yeah, and break out maybe New York session.
Mm.
Someone has some
Um,
background things
Yeah,
on.
maybe.
I mean, I was looking at GJ and thinking like, the setup you took on Thursday, Augustus?
Thursday.
The break and retest on the 1 hour, you waited for it to make support and you like targeted resistance and after even higher.
Oh, nice.
That was like maybe like it still needs a lot of time, but that was maybe a setup I was like thinking in my mind that could happen and I would execute on that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I was like, my bias was bullish, like 100%. I came to the market, was like, yeah, we're going up. Like this, I don't see any downside from yesterday's daily candles push. But I'd still see that some downside this week. We need to make that bottom wick on a monthly.
Yep.
If we want to push further to 150.
Maybe you mean that the monthly stick has to come down?
5. Yes, sort of to make that bottom wick nice and then push up.
But we may have a push up to 200, 152, 200. Then we will see maybe a drop from there.
I'm expecting to fill the weekly wick and then push down.
Yeah,
Nice.
makes sense. Yeah,
Because the push down is gonna be the interest rates.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't know if you guys remember the last month we had interest rates and everyone's expecting bullish interest rates and we went down.
Yeah. That happens more than often on GJ. Like numbers are positive, but GJ just goes down.
Yep.
Yeah, but it has to, right? At some point, because the last time I told Luke, look, the interest rates are rigged, like it's already set up, it's already priced in, and it happened the way it happened because we pushed so much before the interest rates, and was like, okay, where's the possibility of us pushing even more during the interest rates? There was like none, so we had to drop. There was no other way.
By the way, if I can say something real quick, this is a very, very nice chart. Very, very good chart. Put this one up. Yeah, go ahead.
No, man, I said everything.
Good chart too.
The yen is taking some big holidays.
Okay.
Gold is teasing you guys, eh?
Yeah, me. It's like up, down, up, down, up, down.
Gold, I'm waiting for 1 hour to close and see if we close back above weekly zone.
Very nice. I think you already secured. Very good, man. Very, very good. Ooh, gold, man. Up, down, up, down. I was like, maybe this one was gonna do it when it went up.
Yeah, it established the range. I think to wait for the breakout or for New York.
GJ is in that range to do nothing.
Yeah, it came back to the range again. So annoying, man.
I commented on it. It's really good, AJ. Very nice chart. You just go back a little bit. You see me commenting on it.
But then, guys, that's what I sent on a WhatsApp, right? It does slightly make sense, doesn't it? Like the way that today's candle it's preparing itself.
Downtrend. Yeah, very nice. I think it's... Yeah, it's pretty good. You should be good. Especially once you go to this level, stop loss at break even and just keep on going. Very nice. Very, very good. See. Hey, look, check out my gold chart, please. Sure, man. Let's see. Yeah, looking at the same thing pretty much. But I'm looking for more pips. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looking at the same. Very nice. Wait. Wait.
GG is probably gonna touch the bottom of the range, lure in the sellers, and then push up again.
It'll be psych.
Yeah. If we form something strong, I might look to trade, but it's a nasty range, so I'm like 90% not gonna trade this range.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. Come on, push those numbers.
Magic keys, boy.
Yeah,
Hey.
Magic Keys.
Hey.
Magic Keys giveaway this week.
Oh, really? This week?
Yeah, it's this week, man.
Wow, nice.
Here you see on the left side, 2 Magic Keys are going to be given away this week. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the vibe.
Oh, people should participate in that. You know, sending charts at that.
Yeah, I've heard a couple of lists of good charts. Only good charts participate. No trash charts. Come on, guys. Oh, away. Don't forget to press that button. Trying to reach 6K this week.
Man, that's basically saying you're giving away $150 to anyone.
More. Just 2.
Yeah.
2.
Yeah, I mean each to the person. But
Yeah.
that is huge. That is huge.
Yeah, man.
If
Gonna
I
be a lot
would
of
have
fun.
them, I would
What?
participate myself.
Yeah,
I
if
said
you don't
if I
have
would
them,
have
yeah.
them, I would participate myself.
Yeah. Guys, I want to do something real quick. If you're Lithuanian, or speak that language thing, you know the guy. Augustus is the guy to go to. He has, he's making a very good course in that language, Lithuanian. So, if you are not already looking for a mentor like that in that language, because I understand that some people are not the best at English, and people that live there want to have a mentor that speaks their own language as well. And I can assure you, this guy is the one to go to. Let me see his Instagram real quick.
No
He's been on
rainbow
this-
charts.
Thank you, Luke.
He's been on this stream for since the beginning. And if you're Lithuanian, this guy is making the Lithuanian course here for the people that are able to read it. He's making it easy for you guys. Get in. He's also mentoring these people, so it's really giving feedback on the things you do. So if you're interested, send him a message, and he's definitely gonna help you out. So yeah,
Yeah, no rainbow charts
thank
with
you,
him.
Luke. I appreciate that, man.
no problem, bro. Requesting to give a magic key in the YouTube comment section also. Ooh. His Instagram name, please. It's right here. I'll put it in the chat. I think we have someone for you, man. There you go. Kindly check out this chart.
Guys, just feel free to message me if you want. You know, it doesn't cost anything to message me and ask a couple of questions regarding trading if you want. So
Yep. Very nice.
Don't
Oh, hello? Your mic cut off.
You
Be
keep
afraid.
stopping some people out and go up.
Up.
Hopefully.
You get some guys in your DMs like, oh, is RSI, MACD, and Fibonacci a good combination?
I never had those questions, luckily. I never had before, yeah. Yeah, I like this chart. Very good. You're already on the board, Nixon. So, but it's a very nice chart. I am looking personally to trade inside here, but it makes sense if you're gonna wait for these clean traffic candles here to the left. But very nice chart. You got all your targets set up. Looking for the clean traffic. I like this. Very good, man. Very, very good. Kindly confirm my handle is on the leaderboard. Yeah, man. You're on the leaderboard, don't worry. But there's... Okay. Very nice. We got one other chart coming in. Let's take a look. Do you guys remember, for the people that are in the in Forex family for a longer time, do you guys remember that guy Eric that always typed in caps lock?
Oh yeah, in caps, yeah.
I haven't seen him in a while, but you used to make savage trades.
Oh yeah. The grab like a shit ton of pips off the 15-minute.
Yeah. Visual cells down below. Yeah, you could. But don't be trapped in it, please.
Oh, gold may drop, yeah?
Yeah.
I think I'm
I saw
gonna
this
call
one
it a
close.
day, soon. Because on gold, I don't want to be taking sells on gold. GJ is just untouchable. So nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a breakout side either way on both pairs.
GJ for the sells, only I would want a resistance form below 570, but I want a resistance form. If it closes, it's still not good for me.
Yeah, because people are gonna. This is a trap. This is a booby trap. You're gonna get in, and then it's gonna bite you, and then yeah, it's gonna go back up, and you're gone.
Yeah, maybe
because that's where the push from came.
We
yesterday.
may like make a support here and then go up.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know the vibe.
Yeah, because I'm so bullish in the markets the way that we open, but like in a slightly longer term, I'm expecting for us to drop maybe and fill that monthly wick and then maybe go up. You know.
Look, do you trade New York session, but you don't go live? I don't trade New York session myself. Go to Wix Don't Lie if you want to see a New York session, but don't be on the charts for too long. No, I don't think so, Sharav. But at the end of the day, gold is a safe haven and the yen is a safe haven too, so there might be something in it, but I'm not really looking at that. Federico, everybody needs magic keys, bro. Yeah. I had this guy message me on Instagram, and he's like, let me see. He's like, where is it? He's like, can you please choose me as the winner? Help a college kid out. Please, bro. I'm like, no, man. It's competition. Everyone needs to have a chance to win.
He's securing his spot.
Yeah.
Imagine you were given like 5,000. The guy would be like begging you.
Yeah, like, please, man, please.
And he probably will come to Netherlands for that.
Yeah, the ticket itself costs more. The flight ticket. 1 second.
People want everything free these days, man. Just free.
Yep.
You know, they don't wanna put in the work.
Exactly.
So.
Very nice. Oh man.
Massive, did you message that person or how's it going?
Which person? Oh, that person?
That person, yeah.
No, I messaged another one. I didn't want to message that person.
Yeah.
Another person.
Oh,
Yeah,
another one.
Yeah.
Wait, hold up. What's going on here?
No. Okay,
I think,
we'll speak after.
Something to explain after.
Yeah, we'll speak after.
Ooh. Men knows. Man knows. He's going ham on it right now.
Yeah, because that person is logistically just not available. It's not me making excuses. Just the logistics of that person is.
You are not available. It's not. Bruv, you are the one that's not available. It's the other way around.
Okay, guys, let's keep this for the next. Sorry.
We're like talking in code words, trying to not give out too much information.
They know. They know.
They can figure it out.
Yeah. In other news, GU dropped so much.
Oh man, massively. Know it.
It seems like the GJ's just been struggling for the past time, man.
Yeah, for the past weeks. To be honest with you. Yeah, it is.
If you look at Euro GPY, it had the better moves than GJ, man, and it doesn't make sense.
Someone has background things on.
That's not me.
Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, gold isn't really doing a lot. I was expecting a breakout. GJ is in this range doing nothing. And one of these songs that's on the playlist for anyone that's interested.
Where am I flipping my ideas from buys to sells to buys and sells?
Got no idea, man.
Says trading day.
Oh yeah, guys, Mr. Gates got divorced.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, I saw that.
I saw that.
This morning.
Pretty crazy.
Your shots.
When's it goner? She had a very good investment.
Yeah.
she rode it to the top.
But it's really interesting.
She left the entire position running. She was in full margin.
For years.
She's still gonna work at the Gates Foundation, you know, but they're gonna be divorced. Like she said, "Oh, we don't follow the same path." And they have 3 children.
Yeah, it's pretty weird. I don't get it. And they
Yeah,
don't have a
and
prenup, so 50% of.
But they're already
Bill
older
Gates.
too. How old is?
Man, 70 or something.
Bro, why are you gonna divorce when you're 70? Oh,
Well,
65. Okay, then I
It's
understand.
probably a bit on.
Man's
Bill Gates is probably onto something, and she doesn't agree with it.
man's
He
going
wants
back
to
to the
make some money for
club. Man's about to pick some new birds.
Tinder is on.
You know that vibe.
Bill Gates purchases Tinder for $1 billion.
He's like, you know who I am.
That was actually a peak.
All right, guys, I'm gonna take off, but I'll see you guys in New York.
Yeah, see, man, like Nick.
Take it easy,
care.
Nicky.
Yeah.
Take it easy, man.
Oh damn, his wife instantly got removed as well from the. If you look at Bill Gates, normally it says child's and wife and stuff, and it's instantly removed. Gone. Damn.
Yeah, divorce is like the biggest expense to a millionaire, billionaire.
Yeah.
It's not taxes, it's not nothing, it's divorce.
Yeah, but she made a very nice investment.
Yeah.
Man, been for 27 years, you know? That is long, though.
She's gonna be multi. She's gonna be billionaire. She's already a billionaire.
But, you know, instead of investing stocks, you know, instead in investing your marriage.
Savage.
And when you got Mr. Gates on your side, billionaire.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. In the gym, at the same
DJ
situation.
is acting weird. Let's see how this 1 hour close.
I'm telling you, GJ might come back again to sort of like lure sellers in. Like the
Yeah.
4 hour might flip bearish. So everyone's going to think, oh, we're going to sell sells. But then, you know, eventually we're going to come back and retest 900 again.
Yeah. Looking at this chart right now.
or we just might rage. And if we do another no trading day,
ooh, sheesh. Damn, he took that. Volume. Okay then, I think your entry should have been a little bit lower because it's got this wick up here, but worked out. Yeah, it was acting a little bit like
Ooh, GG stacked it. Sweet.
sweet. Oh no, what did you do that? Cool. Are you in buys? Najim?
Oh yeah, I'm holding my position and I got in another position.
From where?
I have one from 151.710 and the other one 151.732.
Okay, nice.
Let's see how this 1 hour and see if I can get out or just hold.
Guys, I think I'm gonna go now. Thank
Oh
you.
yeah, man, like Dennis. See you, man.
Take care.
Thank you. Take care.
Take
too.
care.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I don't want to trade inside here. I want to see outside or outside.
People in the gulag really getting the hang of using caps lock.
Yeah, I'm like, okay, I read it. Relax. Yo, Shruf, man, relax. Take it easy, man. I saw what you said. Yeah, put it in timeout. Let's do one. There we go. Another timeout. Timeout's down. Choo.
Choo choo.
Choo 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 choo.
Choo 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 choo.
I don't know. This 15 looks nice to me, to be honest.
Yeah, I was looking at it too, but I think if it starts flipping,
I might risk 50% on this one. I might, but guys, don't get in. You know, just because somebody's getting in.
yeah, doesn't make sense.
But I'm not in yet, and I'll see how the market does what it does.
I think I would like 1 hour close,
Gold's breaking
bottom
down.
wick for it to push higher up.
Gold's breaking down, maybe. If I see maybe 30-minute candle close below this 184.600, I might take a sell down towards right here, targeting this level. This. You're very quiet, Master P.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
But I do want to see a candle close and then break at the low and then continue further down.
Oh, no. This 15 minute candle looking good to retest the highs probably.
Yep. think it's gonna be sort of valid. Target is created, so I think it should be good. How would you get in, Augustus? The break at the high, or would you wait for the candle flip like right now?
I don't know. I'm still debating with myself.
I'm gonna debate.
Yeah, I'm still debating with myself. I'm still not in yet.
Well, I know what you might be able to do is wait for this 5 minute to close, and then the next one break the high and continue.
Yeah, it might be the case.
It's a case.
Like my entry is like once it breaks, so this current 15-minute low, if it makes a bottom wick for the next 1 hour, because then it's like it's a nice break and retest on the 1 hour.
Yeah, true. But do you expect like a pullback inside this range? True. My man.
Old does not want to give an entry.
It is what it is.
Yeah, I'll probably wait for this 30 minutes to close.
Master P just left. Oh no, he's still here. Oh.
No, I'm still here, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we had a good move yesterday on DJ today.
Nothing.
Some tricks today.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Trying to hit that 800 today. $800.
Why not 6K?
Bro.
Let's get 6K, guys. Target is 6K.
Okay, 6K. Press that button, guys. Don't forget.
I like how Master is always optimistic about the subs.
Yeah. But it keeps working. Targets keep getting hit, so I don't know. Gotta be even more optimistic.
Slow music next. I'm gonna remove this one. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. 6K, go, yeah, man. Yes, this week is the only week, Albano. Good try. Check this. Sure, man. See, oh, GJ playing games with people.
Look, but why don't you just do giveaway this week and then probably another Magic Keys next week?
It's a pretty good idea.
So you see, you get the charts, for example, this week and then the next week as well. But the people that sort of like the guy that won, you can't participate. And,
It's actually a very good idea. So do one Magic Keys this week in the weekend, get all the names up, and then one.
Yeah, it just prolongs the competition,
Yeah, it's pretty fun. So people do better as well. It's funny because this is not. It's all based on you guys doing the work, guys need to make better charts for yourself. You guys need to journal better. Like this is a very good chart. This one is definitely going to go up on the board. No questions asked. No, it's very good. He's already saying where he wants to go, what he wants to see, potential buys, targets. Everything is pointed out. The thing is, if you make charts like this and you go back in a couple months when things go maybe down in the downtrend for a little bit, and you're like, oh, not feeling great, you can always check in on what you did before. What do you look for before, So it's really important to journal things like this. So it's only for your own benefit.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day over here. Go make some breakfast.
Nice.
And, I'll be back around like 10:30, around time you end or something. We can
Oh yeah,
chit-chat.
sure. Yeah.
All right, cool.
Sure.
Perfect.
See you guys later.
Yeah.
See ya.
Take care, master.
What do you think about this G trade? Let's take a
I think
look.
it means something in Chinese or Japanese, like the shushu, something like that. No? I think it
There's
does. Because I heard.
do you know I think it's Chok or something. In a different language. Chi is thank you in what language? I don't know. Very good chart. West, cool. Let's take a look. Look at the close. 80% at 10 pips and the rest run to TP. Yeah, this is probably gonna be your first level right here. GU. Yeah, very nice, man. Very nice. Once it broke the low, price closed, got structured. Now you only have potential to go down. Or it's gonna create a resistance and then go down, but pretty good, man. Pretty good. We were away. True. Yesterday. Oh.
Oh.
Which one is it again? This one. There we go. Oh man. What are these two pairs doing? Gold's just ranging. TGS just ranging. Man, how many people are already on the leaderboard? Let me take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Ah,
16.
GG is a garbage. Yeah.
35 people are on the leaderboard right now. So you got a pretty high chance to win, man. Not a lot. 35 is really not a lot of people. There's gonna be way more people on it, so way more. We're just 2 days in. Yesterday we had a small stream, so it's gonna be way more people that are gonna be in. But it's all, you see charts coming in, and there are some charts that are gonna be put on, and some charts are not gonna be put on, because I said that from the beginning, only good charts are gonna be put up on the leaderboard. I want to see good charts, no trashy charts without stuff being said. This is a good chart. There's a lot of information in here. He points out his targets and all that stuff, so good chart too. Very nice. Look at this trade.
What is just GG doing?
GG is like, which way I'm going, up or down?
It's so indecisive.
Yeah.
This man took sells at 7 o'clock all the way from the top and made 4% on it. Very nice.
Pretty good.
Nicola.
But the sells, I mean, do make a lot of sense.
Yeah, a lot of sense. Very
His
nice
entry, I would have maybe entered like once it broke.
the low, yeah.
Like, yeah, exactly. But I mean, it's still a nice break and retest.
Yeah, same thing. They're pretty good, man. Nicola.
Gold is about to give me the entry.
Ooh, damn. Let me take a look. I don't know. I think my stop loss is gonna be a little bit too big on this one. Yeah. I think it's gonna go, but stop loss wise, it doesn't make any sense right now for me to take it.
1 hour is about to close.
Yeah, maybe once 1 hour makes a bottom wick and then breaks it, the high, I might get in. That's the close low. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for that 875 level to be broken and then I get in with a new 1 hour.
I'm thinking of maybe executing on GJ.
Okay. And I'll just open. Bottom
Okay.
wick. Nice.
Bottom wick.
Frank in?
No, I need a bottom wick, and once it breaks this breaks the 50-minute high, like now, once it's doing that bottom wick.
Yeah, this is a very good situation for you. I'm looking at gold right now. Maybe to get in if we break 875. Looking for my entry at that moment.
Okay.
I think if I'm getting in, I'm getting in only with the 50%.
Yeah, I'm already did that too. I'm not in, but I'm looking not to go in with full position, you know.
I'm in a gold, but it's very small position.
Yeah, I'm looking for gold buys too once we break 500. That's gonna be my entry based on gold. And then targeting like 91.
Okay, so now where it is, if it goes, then I'm not in. If it flips, then it'll be Gucci.
I just don't like it. It broke 15-minute low,
Which
you know?
one?
Yeah.
You are in sales, Frank?
No, I'm looking to buy if it,
Oh,
if
sorry.
it breaks the top.
Oh.
I'm looking for buyers only.
Let's see how did you close it? Hmm. Yeah.
I'm in a gold buy.
I've just entered a gold buy as well, Luke.
Let's see what's gonna happen. Stop loss is below the current. Very small stop, I think. Pretty good. Let's see what happens. If we're gonna break out, we're gonna break out. If we come back, we come back. It is what it is at that moment. Let's see.
Good luck, boy.
Yeah. We broke the previous 1 hour candle high, made a bottom wick, so let's see.
Yeah, it does make sense, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looking forward. We're keeping trigger right there. Partials on. Oh.
GJ is looking.
Yeah, I'm not liking GJ. I think I won't.
I think I'm gonna.
Gold 5 minute is about to close, so let's see if this one can close outside. Expecting price to wick down a little bit, but still respect the previous low and then continue moving further up. Ooh, rejection. Damn.
Well, GJ, give a bit of time. It's still just the hourly open.
Yeah, also gold, so. Nice.
Go a little bit.
Keep going.
5 pips up, 6 pips up, 7 pips up. Stop loss about to go to the current low. Stop loss at current low, 7.5 pips running.
Let's go!
Yeah, 8 pips, 8.5 pips. Stop loss is at break even.
Nice.
And like Luke.
Yeah, man. Gold's been very nice lately. My thing is already a break even now, so if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win, you know? That's the thing. What I could also do is maybe trail it just to here. It's only 2 pips. I might do that. Very nice.
Very nice, Luke. Calling a nice gold trade.
Yep.
Big man.
And you what? TP is what? 20 pips or 15?
15, but might maybe do some at 10.
I would. Yeah, I would fill this 30-minute candle.
There's 2 possibilities right now, or we go back to break even, and it is what it is, or we start pushing right now.
Yes, sir.
I'm about to be taken out. See if I get taken out. I'm still in. Whoa, that was close. Oh, that was close.
Man, it was close from the eyebrow.
Yo, that was.
And now it's going to push.
Now it's not coming back.
So shit.
It is what it is.
That was close, man.
Let's go.
You had stops like not a break even.
No, just below break even.
Nice. Okay.
That was close.
Lay fly now.
Yeah, see what happens if we go out. If it goes up to 15, it goes up 10 pips, 10, 15, and then...
Yeah.
That was close. That was real close.
Yeah, your target should be met. Well done, man.
Come on.
Yeah. I'm about to hit 10 pips. If I hit 10, I'm gonna close 50 off.
Yeah, sorry guys, my dad came in my room and I forgot my mic was on.
No problem. 10 pips hit, close 50%, leaving the rest run.
Nice.
Very nice, guys. If you took this trade, give a like and subscribe on the stream. You know, second gold trade
Man,
called.
like.
Friday called one, now a cold one too. This one is running.
Gold.
So yeah, let's see what we can do. I have 75% close. I'm leaving 25% run to full TP. Full TP is gonna be around 90. So let's see if we can hit that.
Congratulations, Luke.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Nice, well done, yeah.
Nice trade. Nice first trade of the month.
Yep.
Yeah, smashed.
No, is it the first trade? No, it's second. No, first trade. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's first trade, man.
Yes,
You didn't
first
trade
trade.
yesterday,
Yeah.
did you?
No, I didn't.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, guys, if you took this trade, give a like on the stream, and don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to hit that 6K today.
I'm maybe going to get my entry on GJ.
Yeah, very nice.
Let's see.
My very first trading with you, can't believe it. Yeah, nice, man. So it's all patience. We've been sitting here for 2.5 hours. Yeah, 2 hours and 28 minutes, and then we take a trade that's how short? A couple minutes.
And then it was a win.
But it's important to just be patient. Patience is gonna pay you off. Trust me.
Okay. I'm in on GJ.
Nice. See what you think.
So entry is 738. What?
That was close when it came back. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, very good. This should continue moving up. This should definitely continue moving up.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Very good. Yeah, I was lucky. I had my stop loss below the current low. And I was looking at it, it's like, ooh, it's about to, that 1 minute I think it was, it pulled back, and then I had my stop loss like right, it was, I think it was like right here, and then it was so close, and then just blew back up. Yeah, my full take profit is 190 exactly. So let's see if we can hit that.
GG is pushing. Nice.
The goal's going well too. Very nice.
You're still in, right, Luke?
Yeah, I have 25% running.
Very nice.
Najim, where's your TP for gold?
My TP, let me see. My TP one.
Oh, you're falling away your internet. Say it again.
My TP one is at let's see what they have. Around the previous 4 hours.
Ooh, GJ. Ooh, giving the tickles.
Ooh, sheesh. Sheesh.
Yeah, just gotta relax, take it easy, boys.
Yeah. Frank is flying.
We'll see.
Oh, Frank, what's your target?
Yeah.
830.
TP one is sorry, go ahead.
Well, I'm looking at 190 flat. This level right here. So pretty much just below it. Right. Okay, I think we could continue moving further up to like 195, but let's see. Running 12 pips right now. Let's see what we can do. Gonna be around the 30 pip target. Patience pays off, guys. Patience pays off. Yo, guys, we just called out 2 trades, or at least 1 trade, but running 15 pips, and we are not even at 5,800 yet. We need 10 left, man. Guys, drop that subscribe button. Push it so hard that it breaks.
Wow.
Yeah. You're sending you a Nasdaq chart. I know you don't trade it, but check it out. Sure, man. Let me see. I was waiting for these gold buys the entire morning. Trust me. No trade range, no trade range, no trade range. Looking for sells. Distance support. Ooh, I think you... I don't know about the pip size in this, but... Price in the downtrend. Yeah, you're gonna wait for NYSE open, and then... Gonna break that support target. Very nice, man. Gonna definitely put you on the list. Ooh. Ooh! We're flying! 17 pips! 18 pips! Let's go! We definitely need to put those horns on for a second.
25 pips on gold now. I think it's gonna keep going. I have my TP1 at 1794, 474.
Nice.
Like previous 1 hour resistance, like the highest one.
Why should you invest?
Oh no,
Yeah.
we're not gonna invest in There we go. Very nice, guys. Very, very nice. I'm starting to like gold more than GJ, to be honest with you.
It's very quick, right?
Yeah, it's a lot better than those stupid bullshit. I used to trade gold before I started trading GJ, and then I started trading them both, and then Ricky was like, choose one. And then I was like, okay, choosing GJ. Why? You shouldn't. Radoslav, you shouldn't.
Why you should invest with Ito?
No, you don't. It's it was I put the thing on and then it. Oh, there goes this. Let's get back that timpani beat. It's like oh, a little bit low now. It was the ad on when I went to start the horns. We pushed inside this range, so looking to target the top. I think actually this is the trend to the candle to go back up all the way to the top. But not yeah, what Najim's saying. I think you should be good.
Oh, my GJ is going.
GJ is off to the races. 7, 8, 0, 0. Go. Yeah, let's see. Might come back for support and then continue moving further up. If you look at the daily chart on gold, when the daily flips bullish, gold is off to the races. Yeah, I was looking on buys the entire time, to be honest with you. Since if you start the stream again, I was in buys. I was looking for buys since the beginning. I was not in for sells because of this zone to the left, this one. Who was that?
It was me. I was like, oh, little push on DJ.
Oh, but you're going well too. Going pretty good for you.
Yeah, just hope it hits TP. Call it a day. Start with a win is always nice.
We already hit gold buys.
The only thing I don't like is this small resistance, like on 800 level.
Okay.
Yeah,
oh, patience, guys. Oh, patience.
Where GG is right now, it's the complicated zone right there, like the weekly zone. If we break above and close above it, we may see continuation this time.
800 is pretty strong too. If you look left, you see a tap.
That's what I said.
Yeah,
800 level.
Yeah, it's that's the weekly zone. It's very complicated.
20 pips on gold.
Very nice.
Hit. Let me change the annotation to 20 pips. We're gonna change it 10 times. That's 20. There we go. If you start closing above 800, you're definitely going to be good, Frank.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
What was your entry again? 35, right?
30, wait, 38.
38. 10 pip target, first target.
No, 9 pips.
Okay. Very nice.
Yeah, 4 hours about to close in 40 minutes, so is trying to close above that zone, so it will be good.
You forgot to look at my chart, Luke. Really? Did I? Send it again. Can you send it one more time for me, please? Oh, I found it, Oh, good, oh, good. Oh, whoa. Not good. I think I accidentally ended the stream.
Oops.
Oops. Don't. Did I do it?
Come on, GG, just do one, man.
You in?
Yeah, of course, man.
I hope the stream didn't stop.
I'm up 5 pips at this very moment.
What's your entry?
Nice.
Wait.
7:33.
Okay, nice. Yeah, this 30-minute, like we've been saying, close above 800, then we good. If it started rejecting,
oh shit, goals gone.
Nah, we should be good. We should be good.
Yeah, but
look at the situation on gold. 5-minute printed bearish. Next one's breaking the high.
Oh, it's flying.
Oh shit, 25 pips. There you go. Oh shit. Damn. Man's calling out the second trade on gold.
GJ, I'm aiming for 8 pips and I'm done.
Nice. Like 720? 820, I mean? Something
yeah,
like
something like that.
Okay.
Because we might make a push into that zone and then reject again. So I'm just,
Yeah, that's the thing I was looking.
Why are you paper trading? I can assure you I'm not paper trading. Here are the numbers, fam. You can't see them, but here are the numbers. Oh man, it's off. Yeah, it's going very well right now.
Very nice.
Yeah, this is Going well. Albano chart. It's price above here. Yeah, I think you took the same. So if you're in, you should be Gucci.
Wow.
You're already in the challenge to Albano. So you should. It's all good.
Gold 32 pips. Right
Nice. I'm at the moment landing on 24 point something.
Now. Very nice.
There we go. Oh my days.
Pushing.
Yeah.
Bro, we like struggling with GJ. We like getting one pip up, one down. Like trade up 20 pips.
Yeah. And then gold just goes. No worries, it just goes. God bless you guys. Much love. Thank you, man. Thank you for being here. Come on, guys. We're still not at 5,800 yet. Smash that subscribe button. Around 40% of the people watching aren't subscribed, so you know what to do.
Look.
Ready to call out live? So, yes.
Send them the Zoom link in the Slack again.
Oh, yeah, sure.
London session.
For sure.
GJ is sleeping.
He's pushing.
Ah, yeah.
I send it in.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Who's shy then?
What's that? Look.
What?
You said something?
Who's shy?
Who is shy?
Yeah. Oh, the guy in the.
He was asking about gold. He said come to the stream.
Hmm.
I think he's new here, maybe.
So many dislikes. Yeah, probably another stream that can't keep up with us. Flying at Mach 10. Going faster than everyone else. We're not slowing down. Even if we crash into something, we're pushing.
If you don't have no haters, it means you're not doing things right.
Exactly. God bless them haters. You're here. Can you tell us more about yourself, your background, always trading, graduate student, how many trader funded, how many live traders are live traders? Yes, so many new live traders just checking us out. Okay, yeah. Yo, what's up, man?
Got the gold buy is amazing, man.
Yeah, man. Yep.
Very nice. Did you enter on the candle 5-minute close?
No. I entered once it started breaking my level.
The high.
Yep.
Oh, okay, nice.
And then it closed, and then wasn't so, you know, happy with the close, but it started just pushing, so it was all good. So want me to tell more about myself? So yeah, what good? It's always a good question. I'm Luke, and man's 21, still pretty young.
Hi, Luke.
Hi, hello. And yeah, I trade already since 2019 September. And first I started trading with the Signal guy. Didn't really work. Week later, I started trading for myself. Started doing some really dumb shit. Made a lot of money, but still dumb shit. And then I found recive on the live streams, and then yeah, I started following the live streams. And actually, really quickly, I started in market fluidity, and then yeah, Roger taught me a lot about trading, and everything started to fall into a puzzle. A lot of downfalls, a lot of good upsides. So yeah, it's and we're here, and I'm trading with my own money, so no funded trading accounts or whatever. But yeah, that's my answer to your question. Luke, what is your sign? Well, it's about to be my birthday, the 18th of May, so I'm a Taurus.
GG is second.
Hello, Luke and Frank.
I can hear you very quiet. You need to speak a little bit louder.
Okay, is it audible now?
Yes,
It's
okay now.
better.
Okay, so my name is Neeraj Singh. I have a question to both of you. During the initial start of your trading, how did you increase your lot size? Is it based on only risk management, or there is some other psychology behind it?
No, what I did, I first traded in the beginning. I went back to like 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cents for a very long time. And then once I started to get better, I switched up to 10 cents, started trading 10 cents for a lot, and started to accept all the psychological things that come with it, because you're trading more money and all that stuff. And then after I was trading the 10-cent lots and I started to get comfortable with it, and consistent, because that was the most important thing. After every single time I got consistent, I started to up it up a little bit, and I started up it up to 15 cent, went to 20 cents, 25, 30, 40, and go on and on and on. So I think the best thing to do is just start with a lot size where you're very comfortable with and where you can manage risk with. So most people, they're starting with like 0.01. Start with 0.03, and the reason why I say start with 0.03 is because you can manage risk at that moment. Learn how to manage risk in the way we do, or Q does, or you know, whoever does. And if you start getting the hang of that, you can start, you know, upping the lots and see consistency come in slowly. And there's moments that you're gonna, you know, have a losing week, or moments you're gonna have a winning week. But make sure you just have like a couple of weeks constant inconsistency in profits, and then you can start upping the lot size. But make sure every time you up the lot size that you're not too uncomfortable. It's good to not be comfortable, but also don't be too uncomfortable, otherwise it's gonna really mess with your psychology, just with your mind. Pretty fast.
My view on that is like it's not a view, it's more my approach is totally different. So I actually have most of my money into other businesses. So currently I did some, not very stupid shit, but I didn't really anticipate some mistakes that were going to come in other businesses. So currently I don't have that much money like in my bank account. So I'm just trading a small account, just trying to find that very good consistency, learning from my mistakes. And once, like maybe in like 6 months or stuff like that, I'll be then able to pull out a lot of money in profits from other businesses, and then I'll just like have a pretty big account, and hopefully then I also have found my consistency and my like marks very good on a small account. So my approach is just totally different. Like I'm small account, and once I found that consistency pretty long and I'm very confident with that small account, I'll then bring the money out of another business and then have a like pretty large account. Like that's how I'm approaching it.
Yeah, and I think it's like for people.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, don't think about making money now, like very quick. Forget about that. Focus on consistency and your strategy and getting profitable.
Yeah, just making on the correct decisions. That's it.
Yeah, forget about money. Money is going to come by itself once you have consistency and
it's a byproduct.
Yeah.
The thing is, people they think too much about lot size and money and all that stuff, and if you just ignore that, someone has double sound on.
Ignore people online with Lamborghinis and Ferraris and stuff like that.
But what I'm trying to say here is that it doesn't matter what lot size you trade. It does not matter. Doesn't matter. Just need to find your game. Find your game, and money, like Raquel says and all the other guys, and what just Gus just said, is that it's a byproduct. It's a byproduct. People come here to make a lot of money really fast. I'm gonna show you this one. This is not a rich quick game. Definitely not. This is gonna take you longer than a rich quick game. I think with other business you can earn money faster than with trading in the beginning. Like over time, trading is gonna become bigger, but expect the first 2 years, or at least the first year, not to be profitable.
Yeah, sure.
And maybe after 3 or 4 years, you're gonna see the profit come in. And it depends on how much you reflect on your failures and stuff. So if you reflect on your failures the way you need to do, you're gonna see it a lot quicker than normal. But I think trading takes at least for 3-4 years for you to become good profitable, so you can live off it. Yes, there's people
I closed GJ for 7 pips.
Nice.
And I risked actually 2%. So
made at least
because
percent.
Yeah, because well, I was using my 50%, and then it came back, and I was like, you know what, I'm feeling this, and then I add another one. So I just made sort of like, let's say 14 pips, and
nice.
But obviously in general it was 7, but I closed literally at 8:16. No, sorry. Oh, it's 8:06. Sorry. So yeah.
Yeah, I bent my rules and I closed it too. It's not looking like it's going to hit my TP.
It might push, but it's just rejecting now, and I don't want to be in when the new 4-hour candle opens. Because this new 4-hour might literally come back all the way to the Asian highs or Asian lows and then push up. I mean, it makes sense to go further up to that to the 30-minute range. Looking at the 30-minute, 1 hour, it just makes sense. But just that 8-10 level is not for me, man.
Hopesh Pindor Rai. Well said. I've been into trading for 4 years now. Last 6 months I've seen good results. Yeah, it takes a long time. This is not a get rich. No, it's not like you're gonna start and in the first year you're gonna see big profit like all these drop shipping businesses and shit. That's all get rich quick. This is no get rich quick. This is get rich slow, but after time fast. Just takes a lot of time. It's everything takes time. All these stuff. It's a marathon. It's all a marathon. It's not a race. It's not a sprint.
Actually, should have stayed
is
in.
a little bit off.
Yeah, Frank. Don't listen to me next time because I'm making decisions based on myself.
Yeah, no, 100%. But it's just I'm not.
Because I risked 2%.
I don't know.
Like, okay, yeah, it's like I'm Gucci with the 7 pips because that's sort of like 14 pips for me.
Nice.
Because that 8-10 level is just like it might come back before it pushes back up.
That's the thing.
So I was just like gonna be precautious and man, take the win for the day for the start of the month, man.
100%.
I'm literally happy, man. Like, cool. Even if that's like 5 pips, like Ted said, even if it's 3 pips, but you gotta win. Like, it doesn't matter. You gotta win. You got 3 pips. You made out in a positive out of the market. So, but you can't compare your 3 pips with Luke's gold trade. But you can see how he's rejecting that area.
No, 100%. That's why I was like looking at it and like because I do have my rules and just that 800 level is
because you can see now, and it might come back again to our entry, and I'll be like, and if we come back to my entry, which is doing now, I will go, okay, I'm closing 50%, right? So there we go. I will close 50% here, and then probably it's gonna come down. The 4 hour is gonna create a lower wick to the up to Asian highs, and then push to 900.
Honestly, I think we're going down today.
No. We're not going down. We're not going down. I don't think we're going down. Like I'm with Najim. We're not going down.
Good.
Honestly, from yesterday's daily candle, like I know we filled the daily candle wick already, but look at the weekly. We need to fill that weekly candle, weekly wick before we go down.
So 30 minutes now closed above that weekly zone. We may continue from here up.
What gave me the confirmations is week on the 30-minute closing above 680, the Asian highs. So that gave me a high confirmation that we're gonna push up. And then once the 15-minute high got broken, I was like, "Oh, sweet!"
5-minute looking fresh.
Oh yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah,
it is what it is. Yeah, 3 to 4 years, 100%. Yeah.
You know what I think I'm going to do is just put my things in and not even look at the charts.
That's what I'm
No,
doing.
Are you still in, Luke?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I mean, Frank.
No, I got out.
I
took profits, so it's good. Like I'm not out at entry. Like it's a win, but it's like not big win. And
I mean, yeah, if you feel like something is going to go against you, it's better to get out.
Yeah. That's why I go out literally at 806. That's my exit point.
I have.
And look, still eating there.
Yeah, I have 5% running, and I'm gonna take that out. Full TP is 93 flat.
Oh, you mean 5% of the whole position, or 5%
of the whole position? No. Of the whole position.
Man's bagging on the first day.
Only 5% of the position. I already closed a lot off, and looking very, very, very Gucci.
Yeah, I think GG was still gonna push, to be honest, but I wasn't comfortable at that level. The way it's looking, it's looking really nice.
This is my target for gold.
Now it's going to hit. Like now, 30-minute made a nice bottom wick. Yeah.
What's your TP?
It is what it is.
Previous 30-minute resistance?
My TP, you mean?
Yeah.
My TP was 830, like daily, and just like one, like
so at the daily
the 4 hour or so level.
Nice.
Yeah.
And just like
Gucci, now we hit your TP.
It is what it is.
It's okay. It's a learning process for the next.
Yeah, 100%.
But I mean,
it was
just
like
makes sense to retest the highs.
Yeah, it's like you. My idea was there, and my idea worked out, so it's good to see that. But like when you came in, I was like, you were like saying, "Oh, I close." I was like, I don't like this either. Wow. Just like
no, but to be honest, Frank, it came back to my entry, and I would have closed 50% because it came back to my entry.
Yeah, but the thing is, if I didn't close, I didn't care about the entry because it makes sense for it to go back down to make its slow work. It's just the comfort level in the trade, seeing profit back to entry is like that is not fun.
Oh, very nice. I'm new to the channel, and firstly, I want to say you gents or something I haven't seen in the industry. Just for putting in the time on your channel. My questions are about leverage. Okay, thank you, man. Thank you. Let's see. What a huge account do to. Oh.
Yeah, GG is Gucci though.
Yeah, no, it's. I'm tomorrow. If I put a trade, it's like just like put TP stop loss and just like let it be.
Yeah, I think it's going to break the highs now and keep going.
Gold.
And once,
it all depends on what your comfort is.
Just hold that, Luke. Hold it.
Yeah, I'm going to 93.
Yeah, it's gonna spike up.
All the way to here.
Straight up.
Frank, like the only thing I took out because I said like the comfort level wasn't there, at that zone, and it rejected that zone, and I was like, okay, let me just get out on my first day, and bank 7 pips, which is total like 14 pips for me, and be more than happy,
No, for sure. I mean, it was like it's a stupid mistake because it's like I'm looking at the lower time frames and seeing like stuff okay on the lower time frames is not good, but on the higher time frames, like I just forgot like why I actually got into the trade pretty much. Because like I got in for the 1 hour to be bullish, and I mean this 1 hour is break and retest, so it makes sense to even go back to resistance.
You did
Like
take
where it's
profit,
going
right?
now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took profit.
9 pips.
No, that was my TP. I took
Mm.
profit at 770. So my entry was 38, so it's like 3 pips, 4 pips.
Oh, we just hit 30 pips on the gold.
Very
Let
nice.
me change that. At least.
No, I mean, I made a mistake. I hesitated. Augustus came in. I was like, yeah, I hesitated even more. And I was like, yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, so as I'm saying, it's just all about the comfort level for yourself.
It is what it is. Like you said, it's a learning curve.
You're doing very well, man.
Just for the next time, you know. I think tomorrow we're gonna have really good buys. Tomorrow, really good buys.
Like, and even like I was down in the daily. Daily does look like could go up, but the thing is, like you said on the weekly, and that's the hard thing I have with this week is like daily could close. Like if you only look at the daily, you would think it would close bullish, but then at the weekly, like if daily closes very bullish, like it means it's going to correct the whole thing, and that's just a hard thing I have like to visualize that to make its bottom wick on the weekly.
Diamond hands on gold. I wish, man. I wish. But I'm definitely gonna go deeper into gold because I see what you can do with gold is just sometimes it makes a lot more sense. So yeah, let's see.
Oh well, great start to the month.
Think. Yeah, man, very good start to the month.
Yeah, it's I mean, wins. So.
Yep.
Yeah, that's literally what you want in the beginning of the month, man. Just to start with the W.
Man's turning L's into W's. You know the vibe.
Yeah, especially after April's. Like, I checked my April's winning rate, and it was like 63%, and I was like, oh shoot, man, it was more than Raja, but then Raja was trading gold more. So
yeah.
You know,
guys, if you took the same trades as us, the GJ trade and the gold trade, 2 trades got called out. Make sure to subscribe and like that button. You know, like the video, like everything you see. And
yeah,
you know, hey, we only need 3 subscribers till 800. Press that button, guys. There's definitely some guys that haven't pressed it yet, or girls. Press the thing.
For GJ, we called the trade, Luke, so it was a good one.
Yep.
Yeah, execution always the problem for coming from me.
It got called out, but did I put it on the screen or no?
That's the thing.
I secured 7 pips, so I'm Gucci, you know.
Yeah.
That's the thing too. Like I come from day trading, and like when I was day trading, like you would just like really put a stop loss TP in, like you could walk out from the trade, like really. That's why I come in like the last couple of months coming into like a more swing approach, a more scalping approach. It's a lot more trade management and fast trade management.
Yeah.
So
that
yeah.
makes sense. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, I think I might get stopped out on gold, but I'm leaving it run. See what happens. If we get stopped out, Here's what it is.
Yeah, GG rejecting that level again.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I said, it like, you know, it hit your take profit, Frank, but you still see the sort of like rejection at that level.
Yeah, 100%, and that's why I was not the most confident, because of exactly those 2 levels, and just also the 4-hour closing, and just also like another thing, volume time.
Yeah, like 4 hours closing for me, that was the catalyst. That was the catalyst for me, because we're still in the range. So what's the probability? Like, okay, this 4-hour creates a support, and the next one is definitely need to come back down, and it might come back down deeply into the Asian levels, then to push further up, you know. So we might just range today in this zone, and yeah.
I think this
But
daily
tomorrow?
on gold is gonna flip, yeah. If that's gonna flip, it's gonna fly. But might get stopped out. It's pushing pretty hard right now.
Well, I think what Ted said, that Tuesday is gonna be the pullback day.
Yeah.
So, for example, he said yesterday he was speaking. He said when we usually have a push on Monday and a strong push to some sort of a zone, the following day, Tuesday, as if it's always a pullback day. So the Wednesday and Thursday always has the continuation of the trend.
Yep.
So his target for sort of a daily target is 1810.
Okay, yeah. All the way up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what we want, that's what he said. He said, you'll see, that's what he said yesterday. You'll see Tuesday pulling back down into sort of the 4-hour resistance.
Mm.
And he said that, and I was like, okay, let me watch the gold. Like, I don't trade, but let me watch it. And it actually did the way he said yesterday.
Bro, this man knows what happens.
Man, this guy, the way, like, but that's why being backtesting is data, you know?
Yeah. Makes a lot of sense.
So there you go, Frank, for GJ. It's just...
Yeah.
Well,
but
like
what I think the next 4 hours is going to come back to 670 again, sort of ish level, and then push again to the range highs.
Yeah, I wasn't a fan of GJ today, so I didn't take anything on GJ.
Yeah, makes sense, man.
I saw that situation on where Frank entered, and I thought it was a very, very good trade. But for me, inside that range, it was a bit like meh.
Like, yeah, but for me, it was like it had clean candles, so it still had a lot of potential.
It's just that rejection. That's it. Like that
Exactly.
810 was 4 hour level that, you know, I didn't like. But yeah, good trade though. Really good trade.
Two very nice trades actually, and it was worth the wait.
Yeah.
It's all patience, man.
Yeah.
All
Two nice
patience.
trades, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know about GG, honestly. It's like those kind of days where like some days you like come in, you like, oh, buys for sure for me. Even though Augustus, you like buying and you say it's buys for sure for me. I don't know.
Well, you know, it's never buys for sure. You know,
Yeah,
I'm just
but,
coming
I mean,
with the bullish buyers sort of into the market, and we just might range today. You know, but what I'm expecting is to fill that weekly wick. Like literally, as I send the chart on WhatsApp, it's like we might see this sort of scenario this week, that we fill the weekly wick by tomorrow, and then on Thursday we drop because of interest rates, and then we come back to 150. Well, basically to the weekly open.
Yeah.
Well, that's my prediction. You know, don't take it for the real penny.
No, but I mean, my prediction is, like I said, this weekly looks like you said to make its bottom wick. Looking at daily, how strong it is at resistance, like I could expect maybe this daily, like there's different scenarios, but like maybe this one to be doji, next one to then do the push down.
But just think in terms of that. You're thinking of interest rates, right? Like that's the biggest news for pound, right? The interest rates.
Yeah.
So you're thinking, if we expecting a bullish push in interest rates, that's what we've been seeing for the past 6 months, except for the last month. And before interest rates, we used to go down. Always go down before the interest rates. Then the interest rates makes that 150 pip push to the upside. But last month, what did we see? If you pay attention, we actually pushed before the interest rates. And I said to look straight away, I said, look, this is priced in. We're going to go down. And we did go down. So right now, I'm thinking the same thing. So if we're pushing bullish for the rest of the week until Thursday, interest rate is going to be negative. But, you know, don't take that, you know, as I'm saying, for the real penny. Just analyze the chart and analyze the data. that is coming to the market.
Yep. For me, it's like even like if I do my higher to lower time frame analysis, it makes sense for it to drop actually like today.
I wasn't expecting much volume to be honest today after yesterday's push. Look at the push that we had yesterday. It's amazing, man. Bank holiday, like that's probably 1 out of 10 bank holidays that you have on yearly basis that has that sort of pushes. So it's just really interesting, to look at it. But yeah, GJ just might range between these levels like 575 and 900 ish. We might sort of like lure in the sellers into that level 575 because we have a huge rejection on the 30-minute, like a huge wick, like a 10-12 pip wick. That's like a liquidity zone, that demand that might catch you out and then push to 900.
If GG closed below 650, I'm out.
Yeah, you don't want to come back into that Asian range, right? Like you want to leave that zone.
We might continue going down if we close below 650.
I mean, that's the thing. The higher time frames you go, there's so many more possibilities.
Thank you for the donation, Bluefinger. What about GU? How does that pair move? It's a little bit like the same as GJ, but I never traded it myself, but some people say if you trade them at the same time, it's going to be a headache. So
the thing is, for example, you can see the way the GU pushed from the lows that it created and compare GJ push from the lows that it created, and GU had a bigger push, but I don't know, how would you take that trade?
Yep. How to get the Zoom link. Soon, at the end of this month, the community will be set up. Hopefully, everything is going to be ready. Yeah, hopefully everything is going to be ready. It's a lot of things I still have to do, so that's what I'm working on constantly. So
very nice.
Very nice. What's your view on DXY? It was helpful to trade USD and correlate, and it's correlated. I got no idea what that is, man. To be honest with you. So now that YouTube is gold trade, are you done for this day? Yeah, man. I'm done. Made my money. Wasn't a lot, but it was only like 26. But yeah, I'm done. Took the trades I wanted to take, and next time I'm gonna see if I can trade a bigger lot on gold, because I'm starting on gold. This is my second trade on gold for this year, I think. So slowly getting it back into gold, using only small lots. Use a 30 cent this time, and maybe next I'm gonna use a 40 cent. So let's see. But yeah, guys, it was a very good stream. It's a very long stream as well, 3 hours and 15 minutes. So I think I'm gonna call it one right now. Guys, please don't overtrade, don't over risk. There's no need to be in anything. If you missed out on a couple trades, just call it a day. Look for tomorrow. If anything's gonna bring you, learn from the things you just did today. If you made any losses, make sure why you made the loss and how you can improve next time. And go easy on it. And thank you guys for tuning in, and see you guys tomorrow morning again.
Thank you, Luke.
Remember, guys, Magic Keys giveaway is still running, so be there, be square. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Take care, YouTube. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for them gold buys. You know the vibe.
Smash that button, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. We're going in very fast into the YouTube scene, so
and smash a screen to not overtrade.
Yeah. Or your phone, whatever. So see you guys tomorrow.
Take care.
Okay.
Bye.
There we go.